We are at the Inox compound at the Golden Jubilee of IFFI, and this is Runa Agarwal for All India Radio in conversation with Fermino Goes of the Konkani film industry.
Hi Runa, hi everyone.
IFFI this year has included the Goan Story, a Konkani film package. What are your thoughts on that inclusion?
Oh, I was very happy to hear that. And it's a good news for all the Goans, like to come up with their new ideas. Because Goans first is to be in Bombay for doing all the things, music, direction. Now it's a Goan has a chance to come up with good films to show for the international festival.
Do you have any films that are screening this year?
My two films and one documentary is going to screen. One is Glory on Football Goas, and second one is Bade Abu. That's a historical one. And third one is about a documentary on 125 years of theatre.
That last one sounds really interesting. Given that you've been part of the Konkani film industry, you've seen the evolution. What would you like to see in future in the industry?
In films, the young generation has to come together and produce good films and good story which gives understanding, that with morals, that should become with new ideas, and you have to come up in Goa because we have a chance now because of IFFI and the new thing which have introduced which will help us a lot.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. All the best to you and your films, and I hope you enjoy the festival.
Yeah, thank you Aruna, and thank you all the listeners. Enjoy.